Max Relax. I used to get massages here. I see they have a sign up. We will be temporarily closing March 16th for 2 weeks with a plan to reopen on March 31st. So it's 6 weeks beyond that. I wonder if they'll ever reopen. Very, very sad. Here's another inconsistency. In Santa Barbara, you're allowed to sit down now. I was at Roco and you could sit down. Here, no, can't sit down. Takeout only. Well, clearly these people are non-essential. They're closed. Non-essential. It's the health department. Would anybody believe that I used to be a health inspector? It's true. I'm a registered sanitarian. I got my license, I think it was January 1, 1969. And I worked for the LA County Health Department in Bellflower from the fall of 1967 until the spring of 1976. I've always been wondering how the food is here. I'm tempted. I'm so hungry. I think I'll try it.